Welcome to England. I am a member of a minority, a persecuted minority. I am somebody who has self-esteem, not self-respect. Self-respect is not self-esteem. Self-esteem is fundamental. Self-esteem is elemental. Self-respect is an assessment. No, I'm somebody who has self-esteem. Self-esteem is an integrated ability to value yourself and value everything else as a result. And this is alien to modern Britain. So as a result, for example, when I go to a shop and sit down and wait for my order to be processed, I'm forced to move because I can hear some fat, stupid, ugly life form within close sitting distance, muttering under its breath, going in my ear when I'm not looking at it. And this passes for social interaction in England. This is the persecution, the punishment of luxury, the eating of the rich. It wouldn't matter if I was wearing rags and starving, I'd still be rich to them. This is England. Americans are incapable of comprehending, for the most part, the profound lack of self that this entails, this behaviour from other people, this lodestone striking a spark, this flint being sharpened by the constant pounding of ignorance and evil. And Americans can't understand it because even the most wretched Americans are still imbued with a certain dignity that they get from their political system, or the remnants of that political system, and the guarantees it's provided to their society for many years. Plus the space, plus the separation, plus the fact that there is always the possibility in America of finding enough room to hear yourself think. This is why Americans cannot comprehend, and Canadians cannot comprehend, the essential depravity of England. And this is why it goes unidentified. And this lack of identification is why the world is not protected. All they see are the people who escape, and obviously the people who escape are the people who want to get away from it, the normal ones. But when an American comes here, there are many ways of dressing up the resentment, and they apologize for themselves very often, but the fact is, they've nothing to apologize for, and what they're apologizing to is pure, unadulterated evil. Creatures, life forms, not people. Life forms. Depravity integrated to the level of an operating system in a body. Something so fundamental that it affects and controls every action they take. And when a human being walks among them, it's like a man standing in a turkey farm.